everyone. We are students from the Youth Cultural Corps. We are a group of students who would like to study our history and introduce to the visitors from other countries. Today, we would like to inform about Horugoru, which is a fortress in Yeoncheongun province in South Korea. 480 to 780. Korea Peninsula was divided into 3 countries, which is Goguryeo, Baekje, and Shilla. Now, are you ready to travel back to the past?
In the 5th century, Goguryeo, which was in the far north, expanded its barrier down to Seoul and even more south. Silla and Baekje were alarmed, so they cooperated to get their land back. They managed to get Seoul back and divided the land gained in 2. However, Silla betrayed Baekje after 2 years and got the whole of Seoul. Goguryeo had to retreat, and this fortress was the last defending line for Goguryeo. The river flowing next to the Horugoru is in the similar shape of a calabash, like this.
This place was the battlefield, but it is very beautiful, isn't it? Now, if you take a look at the fortress, you'll be able to see that it has got a wall on only one side, which is the east. This is because they didn't need walls in the other directions. This is the side view of the fortress. As you can see, it is a cliff formed by nature itself. It is about 50 meters high.
This goes the same with 3 sides of the palace, which is why Goguryeo never bothered to build walls on other sides. Let's have a look at the river flowing in front. There is nothing quite special about it except the point that it gets incredibly shallow right in front of the fortress. People can just walk across the river in this part of the river, which makes it important for Goguryeo never to let Shilla cross it.
Due to the shallow depth, this place was part of the fastest route to get north from Seoul. Before highways were built, this fact didn't change in the slightest, since it was used in many named occasions of the Korean history. 10 centuries later, this route was used by the king to flee north from the invasion of Japan, and another 5 centuries later was used when North Korea attacked South Korea in the Korean War II.
So, you have looked at the features of the Horugoru fortress and the river in front. As it was mentioned before, this place was used as a road in many wars, including the Korean War. However, ironically, the war has made this place very peaceful and enjoyable. If you ever get a chance to come to Korea, how about visiting Yeoncheon to see the peace made by war?